Welcome to day 2 of the Advent Journal. Today's prompt is light. Where do you find light when days feel dark? I did a bookmark yesterday in watercolour and I added the image into my scanner and changed the colour slightly so that I had some backgrounds to work with today. And I'm using some collage material. Today's prompt reminded me of a quote that I absolutely love. Sometimes when you're in a dark place, you think that you've been buried, but you've actually been planted. I think that quote works really well with today's prompt. I think it's a powerful reminder that just because you can't see something happening and just because you feel that there's darkness all around you, it doesn't mean that you're not growing, that things aren't developing behind the scenes. Sometimes it can be the sign of a quiet beginning of something waiting to grow. So for day 2, what I did was lean into that thought and lean into this quote, and I chose to create some little collaged blooms, and that for me is a symbol of things that can emerge from those darker seasons. I was thinking how my creativity can be similar to feeling in a dark place. I don't always know what I'm doing, and sometimes I just have to trust that I can't see what the result will be immediately. I have to have patience and I have to lean into that sometimes and just go with the flow. I know that even though not all days will be light, I take solace and I find light in the thought that I don't always see what is happening, but it can still be growing underneath the surface. Sometimes you've just got to give it a little bit of patience. Sometimes the darkness is needed and eventually it will bloom and I'll actually see the result of what I'm trying to achieve. I hope you've enjoyed seeing today's prompt, and if you have, remember to give this video a thumbs up, and if you want to join in with the challenge and you want to sign up, the details are in the description. It would be lovely to see you, and feel free to leave a comment and let me know what you're doing for your Advent this year. Take care. Bye.